Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account using your mobile device. To get started with Zelle, you need to download and install the Zelle app from the App Store. Once installed, you will be prompted to enroll by selecting your bank or credit union from the list of participating financial institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle through the mobile banking app of your bank if it is supported. After enrolling, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing your name, address, and social security number. This is a one-time process and is required for security purposes. Once verified, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money using Zelle, you need to select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's mobile number or email address. You can then enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. Review the transaction details and confirm to send the money. To receive money using Zelle, you do not need to take any action. The sender will initiate the transaction and the money will be deposited directly into your bank account. You will receive a notification once the transaction is complete. To manage your Zelle account, you can access the Settings option from the main menu. From here, you can view your transaction history, edit your profile, and adjust your notification preferences. You can also add or remove bank accounts and debit cards linked to your Zelle account. For security purposes, it is recommended that you use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your Zelle account. You should also be cautious when sending money to unknown recipients and only send money to people you trust. In conclusion, managing the Zelle mobile app is a straightforward process that requires some basic setup and configuration. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Zelle to send and receive money using your mobile device.